wanted you to hear. It's an owl on a tree right near me. It's about 2:15 in the morning. Good morning. Well, I'm still in my tent, as you can see, and it's a beautiful morning. It's cool and sunny. Wasn't that owl amazing? I've heard owls just like that before, but this one had to have been in a tree pretty close by. He was loud, and way in the distance you could hear another one calling back. I wanted to share that with you because some things are just amazing. The nocturnal animals were definitely awake last night because I heard a couple of other things, and obviously I'm tired this morning because of it, but that's okay. It's really neat. I'm going to make myself some oatmeal and then hit the trail. So yesterday, I also ran into Tater. And Tater's very special because I met her way back in the rain the day before Mother's Day in May, where Delta, she, myself, and another guy shared that absolutely beautiful house. I think it was called Black Bear Cabins or Lodge or something. Anyway, she was the one who said that she was in and walked down there with us from that rainy shelter. So, Tater, I'm so proud of you. And it was so good to see you again. Okay, guys. Landmark day today. I just passed 1,200 miles, 1,200 miles on the Appalachian Trail. And I'm loving Vermont. The part of Vermont I'm in right now is very hilly, but the terrain is really nice. I love it. And I'm happy. And I have to remember to rest and to eat, because sometimes I'm just walking, and all of a sudden I'm like, whew, I'm tired. And I realize it's really time to eat and rest. So 1,200 miles! Yes! Yay! Yay, Phoenix! Oh yeah. And I'm feeling strong and good. So, I'm psyched. It's mind-boggling. I can't believe I've gone this far, and yet I have. I'm so excited. Well, I did about 16 miles today, a little over 16, and it was a lovely day. I talked to a bunch of really nice people. I have about 6 miles tomorrow to get to the Long Trail Inn, which is right off the trail, which is going to be lovely because I need to do laundry and shower and just get clean. They also have a free bus into Rutland that will take you to the Price Chopper or Walmart to get some resupply items. So I will be doing that as well. And today was a really good day.